What are special needs trusts for SSI beneficiaries? Have you ever wondered how families can secure financial support for loved ones with disabilities without jeopardizing their government benefits? Special needs trusts are a key part of that solution. These legal arrangements help individuals with disabilities maintain access to supplemental security income while still having funds available for additional needs. Supplemental Security Income is a program that provides financial assistance to people with disabilities, but it comes with strict rules about income and assets. If a person directly owns money or property, it can affect their eligibility for these benefits. This is where special needs trusts come into play. They allow individuals to have funds available for expenses that go beyond what supplemental security income covers, all while keeping their benefits intact. There are two main types of special needs trusts. The first is the first-party special needs trust. This type is funded with assets that belong to the individual with disabilities, such as money from a settlement or inheritance. These trusts must follow specific federal and state rules. One important rule is that any remaining funds must be used to pay back the state for Medicaid expenses after the beneficiary passes away. The second type is the third-party special needs trust. This trust is created and funded by someone else, usually family members like parents or grandparents. The assets in this trust do not belong to the beneficiary, so they do not count against the eligibility limits for supplemental security income. Unlike the first-party trust, there is no requirement to pay back Medicaid after the beneficiary's death, allowing any leftover funds to go to family members or heirs. So how do these trusts work? The trust holds assets separately from the beneficiary's personal ownership. This means those assets are not counted when determining eligibility for supplemental security income. Funds from the trust can be used for things that supplemental security income does not cover, like therapies, education, transportation, personal care, or recreational activities. However, it is important to note that funds from the trust should not be used for food or shelter. These are considered basic needs covered by supplemental security income. Using trust funds for housing can reduce or even eliminate those benefits. The trustee manages the trust and makes payments directly for the beneficiary's supplemental needs while ensuring compliance with the rules. For disabled parents, establishing a special needs trust can be a vital step. It ensures that their children with disabilities have financial resources without risking their supplemental security income eligibility. Disabled parents who receive supplemental security income can also benefit from a special needs trust if they acquire assets that might affect their benefits. Working with an experienced attorney who understands disability law and government benefits is essential. They can help create a trust that meets legal requirements and fits the family's unique needs. Combining a special needs trust with other tools, like tax-advantaged savings, accounts for disability-related expenses, can provide even more flexibility in managing resources. Trustees should be well informed about supplemental security income rules to avoid any disbursements that could unintentionally reduce benefits. Special needs trusts serve as a financial tool that supports individuals with disabilities and their families, allowing them to access supplemental funds without losing essential public benefits. This helps create more inclusive family lives where financial resources are managed thoughtfully to meet the unique needs of individuals with disabilities.